Hey and what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video you can see Tiwa Savage and Burna Boy having a very great time in the club guys. So guys, if you're not seen this channel, I'd like to kindly hit the subscribe button and like if you enjoyed this video. So guys, both Tiwa Savage and Burna Boy, they were seen hanging out in the club guys, and Burna Boy was seen kissing Tiwa Savage guys. I don't know if this is true, so I'll let you guys to play the video and tell me your opinion in the comment section guys, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.